In Vectorworks 2011, we've added several new features to the Stair tool and streamlined the Stair settings interface to create a simpler yet robust tool. There are many improvements to share, so let's get right to it. We've added a new stair configuration to the standard stair configurations, the straight stair with double landings. Notice once this configuration is selected, there are 2 landing length fields and 3 num of risers fields, so that you can customize it to your liking. Now, if you look at the preview section, you will see a few more improvements we've made to the stair settings. We've removed the symbol field that appeared just above the preview field, and we've added a new render mode drop-down menu. Additionally, we've added a static text field to the right of the preview field. This field shows the scale at which the stair details will be hidden. In this example, the details will not be shown in the stair if the layer scale is greater than 1 to 10. Now in 2011, you can also control the 2D graphics settings separately for the detailed and schematic view of the stairs from the 2D graphics tab. You can select to have a break show in the stairs in the detailed view and have no break in the schematic views. Now, if we return to the General tab, here's a detailed stair view with the stair break and schematic stair view without. This next feature is one that was requested by many of our users, so now we've added this functionality to the tool. Now all L and U-shaped stairs can be modified to have different widths for each flight and landing of the stair. Select any L or U stair configuration and go to the Geometry tab. Notice there is a width field for the corresponding flight and landing. In addition to having more control over the stair's geometry, you also have more options with railings. Before, the stair tool only offered guardrails. Now you have the option to add guardrails or handrails to your stairs. You can choose a profile type and whether top and bottom extensions are horizontal from the bottom riser or slope with the stair object. We've also added more settings to the guardrails. Previously, the post placement on stairs was not related to the treads. Now you can set the placement of the post. Each side individually will set the post on both sides according to the distance field. If you choose priority for the one side, the opposite side post will be placed to align evenly with the post from the priority side. Now, let's look at some of the labeling improvements. If you click the Stair Data button from the 2D Graphics tab, and you choose Show Number of Risers, there are now options for position and rotation of the text on the stairs. There are now 2 note fields instead of 1, which can display data including 2 new options for total rise and arrow direction. When using L and U-shaped stairs, there are also options to display data about each run. Once you have a stair set to your liking, you may want to change the stair's graphical appearance. Before, this required you to move through all the tabs to change the appearance for each part. In 2011, we've moved all of the options for the stair component's graphical settings to the Graphic Attributes tab. Additionally, you can now set each component to the stair classes from the standard naming list or create a new class from the Attributes dialog box for each component. As you can see, there are even more features available to you for customizing your stairs, but we've also made the interface more simplified for ease of use when creating complex stair objects.